First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Take the quick selection tool and select the scarf like this. Press Ctrl Z twice to duplicate the selection to 2 layers. Now open filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here increase the blur radius to 2 pixels, click OK. Open file and choose save. Here name it as displays. Press save. Click OK. Delete this top layer. Now go to file and choose place embedded. Select this texture image, click place. Adjust this texture like this. Press enter. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Now open filter, distort and choose displays. Set the horizontal and vertical scale to 5. Enable wrap around. Click OK. Select this displays PSD file. Click open. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.